Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video to explain how to check if the pump works of the windshield wiper or windshield washer. It is the one that is here in the tank where the water is to clean, as I say, the windshield. This pump is this one, disassembled. Okay, this would be the part which goes into the tank where it absorbs the water around here, and here it is by removing it towards the windshield to clean the windshield or headlamp washer. Depending on some vehicle and others have several, the ideal is always to look at the fuse to see if it is okay, and if we already see that the fuse is okay, then we should already put power into it. It has two pins. Put the current directly without disassembling. Well, if we disassemble it, the water will come out, so that it can be tested in situ, that is, put power there and see if it drops water directly. When you put power, electric, it has to throw water towards the windshield washer, in this vehicle. But this rubber, for example, is checked well, but most vehicles have the pump on one side. They have it, imagine here, what the side would be downwards, towards what the dust cover would be, let's say the plastic, that is. Then in the wheel arch, which separates between the wheel and the engine so that a lot of dirt from the road does not enter when we are walking, when carrying that, we would have to remove the wheel and the wheel arch to access the windshield wiper tank, and there it could be done. The test also, as I say, if we disassemble, it can be tested perfectly, because you will hear the noise that the piece makes to raise the water. Look, I'm going to put a current here. Look here, it has two pins, one here and the other here. We put a little current in it and see if it works. We have to place the clamps. Well, let's see. It sounds good. It works. I usually measure these parts, or I usually check it using a simple 9-volt battery. These are very practical to do the checkation. Do not look at the brand. Anyone works to do this. Well, I hope it has clarified any questions, and if so, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.